Hello students, in the today's session we are going to develop the simple program to demonstrate add the two numbers. Okay, so first go to the Android project, and here I already created the application. My application name is add, and here I created the design and write the code in main activity.java. In activity underscore main.xml, in design part, here I take the 3 text view and 2 edit text and 1 button. So here first, this is our first text view, and here I change the text. So here my text is enter the first number, and here my ID is text view. Okay, then next here I take one edit text, and here my ID is edit text ed num, and again here I take second text view, and here the ID is text view 2, and here text is enter the second number. Okay, and next again here I take one edit text, and here ID is ed num 2, and this is our the text view, and here I change the ID is answer, and here text is answer, and here I take one button, the button ID is button, and here I change the text is add. Okay, so like that you create the design, and the next here you see the all the components are added. Okay, in main activity.java, so here already components are added. In public class main activity extends app compact activity. So here our class name is main activity, and here edit text num1, here edit text is object of the num1, and edit text num2, here num2 is the object of edit text. So this is simply a declaration, and again here I take one button, and here add is the object of button, and here I take one text view, and here the result is the object of the text view. Okay, and next in onCreate method, num1 is equal to edit text find view by id r.id.ed num. So we have to finding the references to the button in the GUI, then edit text and text view. So the references of GUI components we are getting in this particular code. So first we have to getting the references of edit text. So here num1 is the object of edit text is equal to in bracket edit text find view by id in bracket r.id.ed num1. So find view by id method which used to get a references edit text by using its id to in this method, passing the id of edit text. So here r.id. So here go to the main activity underscore xml.xml and go to the design, and here you see the here edit text, here id is ed num1. So here I take the id of ed num1 of the edit text, the ID of our edit text which I created in our GUI. So some way we have to getting the references of num2. So here num2 is the object of edit text is equal to in bracket edit text find view by id r.id. In design, here you see the ID of ed num2. So here I take ed num2. Okay, then some way we have to getting the references of button. So here add, add is the object of button is equal to in bracket button find view by id r dot id dot button. Okay, and next some we getting the references of text view as well. So here result is the object of text view is equal to text view find view by id r dot id dot. Here the in design part, here you see the id of answer. Okay, then next here add dot set on click listener new v dot on click listener. We have to setting a listener on a button. So here setting the on click listener, and we have to passing one anonymous inner class to handle the event. So here new view dot on click listener. So we have to creating a anonymous class which is a implementing on click listener. Okay, then next in on click method, here creating a integer. So here int number 1 is equal to integer dot pass int num1 dot get text dot to string. Since our number is integer data type, we need to convert this string to integer. So how to do that? So here I use integer pass int. Okay, then same way here I take int number 2 is equal to int dot pass int num2 dot get text dot to string. Then next int sum is equal to num1 means number 1 dot number 2. Here store the result of sum. Okay, then next result dot set text in bracket answer string dot to string dot value of sum. So inside this we need to pass the result of the answer. So here our result is convert the integer, so we need to convert the string. So here I use the string. Okay, and lastly the result in the store in the sum. Okay, so I execute this code. So go to the run app, and here I select the Pixel API 21 and go to the OK. So here processing is running. Wait for some time. So here you see the our application name is add, and enter the first number. Here I enter the 25 and enter the second number. Here I enter 10. So 25 plus 10. Here I click the button. So here answer is 35. Okay. So like that you execute this code. And some way you execute one program. So here you take the here you take the three text view and 3 edit text and 1 text view to the answer and 1 button. Okay, so here I execute the Android application to add the 2 numbers. You execute the Android application to add the 3 numbers. Okay, thank you.